Welcome, in front of me is ASUS VivoBook Go, and in this video I will show you how to use zoom on this laptop screen. So to use zoom, you'll have to enable Magnifier. You can do this by holding down the Windows button and pressing O button and selecting plus button with it. And this will enable Magnifier, and you will be able to see the tab on your screen. Using plus and minus icons, you can change the zoom level. Using these two icons, you can reset the zoom level. Using this button, you can play the you can start reading from the screen that you're currently at.
Recycle bin.
And using this icon, you can select the item that you want to read aloud.
Microsoft Edge.
Using settings here, you can change the speed of your magnifier, and you can also change the voice by expanding this list and selecting the voice that you like more.
Microsoft Edge.
Now you can also access the full settings by clicking Go to Settings right here, or if you want, you can go to settings directly from the start menu, then select the accessibility settings on the list, and then go to the magnifier options, and here you'll also be able to turn on the magnifier. You can also expand this list and choose if you want to start magnifier before signing or after signing. You can also change the zoom level and the zoom increment here, and you can also change the view, which is the most important part. So you just seen the full screen magnifier, but we can change it to DACT magnifier that looks like this, or we can select the lens magnifier and it will look somewhat like this. Now each magnifier has its own settings, so if we go to the view section, you can see the settings. For example, for the DACT magnifier, you can make it follow your mouse pointer, keyboard focus, text cursor or narrator cursor by clicking the checkboxes next to those options. Now the full screen magnifier has the similar settings, except for you can also make the mouse pointer stay either within the edges of the screen or centered on the screen. If it's centered, the magnifier will look like this, and you can also apply the same settings to the text cursor. Now the last view is the lens magnifier, and the only settings that you can change in the lens magnifier settings is the size of it, so you can change the height and width level of the magnifier, so you can adjust it to your needs. And that's basically all you need to know about magnifier in your Windows. So thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.